Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Might and Magic Fates game crashing or not launching, not working, keep stopping, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on Android phone. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is not fluctuating and stable. If you are using mobile data, then go to Wi-Fi or do vice versa, and then check if the problem is fixed. If not, you should check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Might and Magic Fates TCG, and here you should check if there is any update available. If yes, update your game to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on app info, click on force stop, and then click on OK. After that, try to launch the game and check. If not, you should clear the cache of the game. For that, click on storage and cache. Now click on clear cache. Once you have done this, now try to launch the game and check. If the issue still occurs, you should install a VPN. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for VPN, and you will get lots of VPN apps over here. Install any one of it. After installing it, log into it, change the location, and after that try to install the game and then check whether the game is launching or not. If not, you should check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. For that, go to the settings on your phone, click on system update. After that, here you have to check if there is any update available. If yes, update your system OS to the latest version. After that, try to launch the game and then check if the problem is fixed. Now, after trying all these methods, restart your phone once. For that, press the volume up plus power button and then select restart. Now the restart process may differ from phone to phone. Once your phone restarts, now try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on delete and click on uninstall. So finally, uninstall the game completely from your device. After that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Might and Magic Fates, and finally click on the install option and then check if the game is opening or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.